Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your DoorDash driver 1099 tax form. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and download your DoorDash driver 1099 tax form. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash or the Dasher app. Next, click on the three lines in the top left-hand corner. Then click on Earnings. Then click on View Payout Details. Then click on Tax Documents. So this is where your 1099 form should appear, and then you can download it from here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and download your DoorDash driver 1099 tax form. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.